Hey everyone, today we have an install video, but not a normal install video. A little bit of a weird one. Oh, also, I completely forgot to charge my camera, so I'm recording on the iPhone, so sorry if the camera or angle is a little bit weird. I'm literally using a tape measure as a tripod. But yeah, install video today, but like not actually an install video. If you see this throne of wheels I'm sitting on, this is the new wheel setup for our 2021 4Runner. That car over there. It's kind of the wheel setup for the car, but not actually because the tires aren't here. Move this yerba mate. And what I mean by it's not actually the wheel setup for the car is these are the right wheels, but we don't have the tires yet because they're at the shop. Our shop is ordering them and mounting them and all that. Shout out Stellar Built. We're running BFG KO2s. But today's not about the tires. It's about the wheels or rims or whatever you want to call them. If the boxes haven't given it away, these are Yokohama Advan RG-D2s, the large PCDs so that they fit on the truck platform, or I guess Tacoma, Tundra, all that. The larger wheel cars. They're not like small Advans for cars like this. All right, so spoiler, I've already opened one of them, but I guess for you guys, I'll do an unboxing real quick. And I guess technically an unveiling, even though there's a picture here, they don't actually look like that. They do, but they don't. I'll show you. I'll just dig right into it. Alrighty, digging into these. Careful not to show my address, even though it's taped up. Bam! Just kidding, they're covered. I knew that. Toss this stuff to the side. Probably one of my favorite thing about like getting nice wheels is how they come with this cover. I don't know, something about it makes it feel so much more premium. My dad has a suede steering wheel in his car. And since his car sits outside, since the Civic sits inside where his spot normally is, he actually uses one of the wheel covers to cover his suede steering wheel so that it doesn't like sunbake. Alrighty, unveiling time. Bow. Again, I've seen these, but it's your first time seeing them, so take a look. Again, these are the Advan RG-D2s, specifically for pickup truck as they're labeled. Actually, I could just show you guys here. Here. Advan Racing RG-D2 for pickup truck or large PCD. In case you are interested in the specs, here they are. These are 17 by 8.5, 6 lug by 139.7, and they are a -10 offset. So the fitment should no longer look like the car's on stilts. And in case you're wondering, we have done the research, and I don't believe you could run these without a cab mount chop or a body mount chop or a BMC or whatever you want to call it, because I believe they're so wide, they have so much poke because of the negative offset that the tire will rub slightly at full lock. So we're doing a BMC just to be safe, but your mileage may vary. So this color is called Umber Bronze Metallic. I think it looks absolutely beautiful. It's like a cool bronzish color. It'll go well with the nautical blue on the 4Runner. Actually, I want to take them into the sun real quick and show you guys, because we took the other one that we opened already into the sun and the color almost completely changes. So right now, it's like a little bit of a bronze, dark umber color. I'm going to put this here so we don't scratch it. Go ahead and grab this guy. Oh, another thing to note is these things are super light. I think they're only like, I want to say 20 pounds each or something like that. They're really light for large PCD wheels. Carefully setting these guys down. And there you have it. There you go. So you could see in the sun, if I get real up close here, the bronze actually has almost like a gold metallic flake in it, which makes it look sick in my opinion. They're like almost gold in this lighting, but then bronze at other angles, which really make them pop. I think they're gonna look really sweet on this nautical blue 4Runner we have. Excuse the car is a little dirty. It's covered in salt and road grime because we just went snowboarding last weekend. Let's see if I could get the two in shot so you can kind of see the two colors next to each other, kind of get a feeling for how it pairs. I'll mock it up and like set it next to it a little bit later so I can show you guys. But all right, Jalen, now why is this an install video? Well, if you don't know how most high quality or higher end Japanese wheels come, they actually come with stickers. So we're doing a sticker install today. If you guys have seen the Work TE37s, I'll put up a picture like here. They also come with a spoke sticker that goes on one of these spokes. So that's essentially what these Advans come with as well. If I could get this open. This one little sticker is kind of a big deal because it shows that you have a real Advan wheel shipped straight from Japan, made in their factory, etc., etc. There's a lot of reps out there, you know, Rotas and all that, but you can't just get one of these stickers and slap it on there. So these only come with their authentic wheels. Oh, speaking of something really cool, besides all these like cool Japanese shipping markings and like the customs tag and everything, on the inside of these wheels, they actually have one, I assume that's probably a sticker of authenticity because it's got a holographic. It also shows the production date as well as the inspector, which is super cool. Just a little Easter egg that you'll never really see, but shows that you spent some good money getting some good quality parts. So this is probably the first ever sticker that I've had that comes with instructions. I guess I'll show it on screen in case you want to read it. You can pause it or whatever, but pretty much it just tells you where to put the sticker. It goes at the 3 o'clock position from the valve stem at 9 o'clock. Also, the valve stem has aluminum valve stems, which is really nice, but we will not be using these as our car has TPMS. So the TPMS system will be transferred over, and I believe that includes the valve stem. I could be completely wrong with that, but the shop's dealing with that, not us. All right, I'm gonna unbox the rest of these now. This FedEx thing that said additional parts inside was also in the box. And look at this little Evasive Motorsports keychain. There's that Evasive Tuning, another Evasive Motorsports sticker, another sticker. If you guys couldn't tell, we ordered these off of Evasive Motorsport. These things took like 5 months to get here. A lot of JDM wheel companies like this don't actually stock at a local US dealer. So when you order them, they are kind of made to order. So they ship here straight from Japan. And because of shipping time overseas, it has to like get here on a boat. And with all this COVID stuff, it took us like 5 months to get these. We ordered them back in November and they just got here. They got stuck at the port of LA in customs for like 2 or 3 weeks, I think. Also, I pulled out all the little sticker kits and valve stem kits out of each box, made sure everything was accounted for. So we're gonna start throwing on stickers one by one, very patiently, to make sure they're all lined up and all look good. It's kind of nerve-wracking knowing that I only get one chance at each of these, but it is what it is. I'm just gonna go for it. So if we pull out our handy dandy little manual here, you'll see that you will need to confirm the exact position of the sticker at the spoke figure 1 and completely remove any dirt or oil from the area. All right, cool. I'm gonna be wiping it down with APC and then using some blue tape to kind of pat at it. I don't know if you guys have seen our badge blackout video, but I like to do that because it picks up any surface contaminants that could cause bubbles. Next is, this one's kind of funny. At low temperature, the sticker will not adhere properly. Warming the area with a hairdryer will ensure proper adhesion. So I'm gonna get the heat gun, heat it up a little bit, and then throw the sticker on, and then position the sticker correctly. All right, so this is the important one. The RG-D2 sticker sits on around the peak of the spoke, which this is like the peak here. It dips here, dips there. Peel off the backing, place the sticker firmly, yada, 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 just like any other decal after that. It's literally just putting on a sticker. So I guess we'll start with this one. So this is the 9 o'clock position. So that means the sticker is gonna go here, peak. All right, we're all heated up now. In terms of points of reference, I'm gonna be using this dash as the center line because normally sometimes the excess transfer tape on each side is not even. So I'm just gonna use this as the center and put it right at the peak, just about there. All right, let's get to it. Just peel it. First one is on. You can peel off this transfer tape now. Sick. Something I didn't notice is the RG-D2 logo is actually kind of a navy blue rather than black, which is dope because it'll match the truck even more. All done. Now, okay, at first I was a little worried about putting the stickers. I mean, yeah, I know they're just stickers, but I didn't want to like off-center them or have them crooked and just ruin the whole wheel. But I put one on, kind of got the technique down of how to line it up and everything. And I kind of got every single other one like pretty quickly, pretty spot on. So looks pretty good. Nice RG-D2 branding with the rest of the Advan, Flow Forming, Japan branding, etc. All 5 of them. Now the next thing, which is kind of nitpicky, but you know, while we're at it, may as well. We're trying to decide between blue or black lug nuts. We have both sets. Originally, we liked the blue ones, but now with this kind of blue sticker, I'm not exactly sure if it's gonna look a little too ricey or not, so I'm gonna take a look. See, now with the sticker, I'm kind of afraid there's too much going on with blue lugs. I suppose I'd be doing you guys an injustice if I didn't at least mock it up a little bit on the car, so we'll see what I could do. Literally, look how light these things are. This is ridiculous. I could literally lift it with one arm. That's sick. All right, let's slide this guy on. Again, ignore the dirty truck. We'll clean it. Just as I suspected, kind of sits off center, but that's fine. Still think it looks cool. I even tried clocking the lug nuts, like putting it on the next set, but then it would just sit angled on this spoke. So take a look at that. Give you kind of an idea how our setup's gonna look like. I'm gonna go ultra wide here. Looks kind of weird because there's no tire on the fifth wheel, but I think you could kind of get an idea with the color combo and how the fitment's gonna look on the back at least. On camera, the depth and the width of this wheel doesn't really come out too well. These things look incredibly aggressive in person. The slope and the slant of the spokes from the negative offset just makes it look super aggressive, but on camera it doesn't really show up too much. So this is not gonna go proper mock-up whatsoever because the elevation is wrong and there's no tire on it and it's just sitting on the ground, but we're obviously on a driveway and it's slanted and I don't want this wheel rolling away, especially while I'm by myself and just destroying the lip of the wheel. So I'm just putting it there, literally just so you guys can see the color combo. You'll see how the truck looks after it's done with like phase 2 or 3 or whatever it's at. I guess I should explain that. We have a Dobinson's lift kit and a C4 fab bumper and a whole bunch of other goodies that are being installed by Stellar Built in about a month or so now. So that's when the wheels will go on the car and all that. So I'll dive way deeper into that in its own video. But again, I just want to unbox the wheels and show you guys. There's the wheel combo. Let me try to get a better angle of it. There's our wheel combo. You can see nautical blue with that dark bronze goldish color. Alrighty, y'all. Hope y'all enjoyed this little simple video. I just want to show off our wheels real quick before we get them installed. Get you guys kind of excited for this 4Runner. I know we're super, super excited. So yeah, hope y'all enjoying. Plenty of videos to come as always. All right, take it easy. Have a wonderful day. Peace.